welcome to my channel. And then today I'm going to make a tandoori chicken. So first we have to marinate our chicken pieces. I have it here, a one whole leg piece, which has been cleaned and cut and skin has been removed. So what I did, I just have a slit all the parts of the chicken. I just cut slit so where I could put the masala inside. So let's get started for the marination. First, we have to put yogurt. I have around 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt. Next, red chili, 3 teaspoons of red chili, 3 teaspoons. But again, it's up to you guys what is your requirement, but I want my tandoori to be spicy. And I have here ginger garlic paste. I'll put around 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of garam masala. Just a half teaspoon of garam masala. Then I have cut lemon. So I have 2 small lemons for 4 chickens. I have 4 pieces of chicken. So,
Mama, help us here.
what's helper?
Mama, I'm Isabella. I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I don't know. I forgot.
It is a salted almond.
Salted almond. Salted almond.
So, and then we have to put salt. For the salt, guys, it's just depend of your requirement. So if you want salty
Something
tandoori,
like
then
that.
you can put. It's depend on you for the salt, anyways. So for me, I just have to put like for my 4 chicken estimated, I just put 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon will be enough. And then we have to mix all together. See? Our masala is ready for marination. So now we have to put our chicken inside. So actually I don't have a gloves, so I just use my hand. I just washed my hands just now. So I have to put all my chicken in. I have 4 chicken, so it's just a thigh and a leg together. It's a full legs I have 4 chicken in, so we have to marinate it very nicely. Put all the masala inside the cut here. I have made slit from the chicken. So this is how you marinate your tandoori chicken. So you really have to give them a good rub. This is how I marinate my chicken tandoori. Now we have to set this aside for 30 minutes or 1 hour. 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now the marination is done. So we have to set aside this for at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. So they just put this back in the fridge. It has been 1 hour now since we have marinated our chicken tandoori. So now let's cook it for dinner. So I have here a pan. Just first heated it up, then pour it cooking oil. Then you put some butter. Put some butter. And we'll put our chicken marinated. The chicken tandoori. And now we just leave it until it gets cooked. Now we have to flip it to the other side. And we start cooking on the other side. See guys, look at my tandoori chicken. It's almost cooked. We just need another 3 more minutes. Another more 1 minute guys. Then it's done. 1 more minute. Now let's check again. Oh wow, so pretty. My chicken tandoori is ready. This is finished. Now my tandoori is ready. I will do the plating. I will have along with this just a salad for it. Hello guys, my tandoori is ready. And I have here, this is a mint chutney or pudina. It goes really well in any tandoori starter. So I have made this earlier. Please check it out in my previous video.